And while we're on the topic of germs, here's a lovely quote from an anonymous flight attendant. It says it all, really. Turbulence plus a tiny bathroom is not a great combination. The crew's biggest plea? Please, whatever you do, don't go in there without shoes on.
So here's a huge tip, straight from the crew themselves. You might want to stick to bottled water. The water tanks on airplanes are notoriously difficult to clean. Because of this, a lot of flight attendants will actually avoid drinking the coffee or tea made with water from the plane's tanks.